Hey everybody, this is Evilcrossover back with another review video, and this is for the Thames and Kosmos plasma ball, and it's for STEM learning, essential STEM tools. So we got one in for a review, and let's check it out. So plasma ball, I don't know if you guys ever played this when you guys were younger. It says harness the fourth state of matter for an amazing interactive light show. So it hangs on a wall or rests on a tabletop, which we're going to show on the tabletop now. 5-inch sphere, 2 modes, always on and sound activated. Okay, so what does this say here? Marvel at the wonders of the universe with this mesmerizing electric light show. So the plasma ball creates a fascinating display of glowing electric tentacles like lightning flowing from fingertips. So plasma is the fourth state of matter. All right. So definitely let us know, you know, the what's going on here, right? So we have the plasma ball, USB-C cable, and the instruction manual powered by USB cable or batteries. So we have a USB hub here. We'll plug it into it, and we'll see what kind of power it gives and what it does here. Adult supervision required, ages 14 and up. Okay, so we're going to see uh, the adult supervision and what's going on here. So let's get this unboxed here. Brand new, brought to you. Let's see what we got. Plasma ball. Always wanted to have one of these growing up. And now I get to get one now. So we're greeted with the instruction manual. You either put batteries or the USB-C. We have the USB-A to USB-C cable. So that's what we're going to use to power it up. And we have the plasma ball. And that's about it. So let's see how this goes. So we have the plasma ball here. We have the USB-C to USB-A. We're going to plug it right in to our hub. All right, so that's the battery compartment there. The on and off switch and the music there. Okay, and I'm going to assume this flap, there we go, yep, this flap was covering the USB-C port. So you flip it down like that. So there was a USB-C port here. This little thing was just covering it so it didn't get dirty. And then boom, we plugged it right in. So let's see what we got. So it's off. Okay, we got it on. And let's see what it does here. So it does a whole different little, okay. All right, all right, all right. So let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it in action. So it has the music. So this goes by when you're talking, right? So it goes by your audio and what's in the room, what's going on. So if you have music playing, if you're talking loud, it's going to start going by your voice or the sounds in the room. So you can have that mode, or you can just have it on, right? You just leave it on. And look at the touching. Wow, that is so cool. Yeah, that is so cool. Oh man, that is so cool. I feel like Thor. That is so cool, man. So yeah, that is cool. So make sure you have a nice, turn off the lights, put it on, and you'll have yourself a good old time with the Thames and Kosmos plasma ball. And we'll catch you on the next review.